So welcome back. Today we will discuss on the green buildings. So the title is something confusing. It's not about the green colored building, but it's a building which will be sustainable for the entire life, and also that will be beneficial for the environment. So let's get into the green building topic. So by definition, the green building is the practice of creating structures and using the processes that are environmentally responsible and resource efficient throughout a building's life cycle. So the building should be environmental friendly using all the available resources throughout its life cycle. The green buildings are designed in such a way to reduce the overall impact on environment and human health by first option is reducing the trash pollution and the degradation of the environment. Second, by efficiently using the energy, water, and other resources, and protecting the occupant health and improving the productivity. So mainly, it should be environmental friendly. It should not pollute the environment. It should use the maximum available energy, and it should protect the occupant health and improving the productivity as the result. Let's discuss about the various green building factors or the materials. The aim of using green building materials is to construct energy efficient structures. Following is the list of green building materials which are used in the construction. It ranges from the earthen materials, so earth materials, wood, especially the bamboo, SIP, we will be discussing that, insulated concrete form, cordwood, straw bale, earth bag, slating or stone roofing, steel, composites, fiberglass, fiber, cement, stone, etc. So we will see it one by one. So before moving into, we will see the five basic principles of a green building, which is very important. One it is sustainable site design. So sustainable design should be there at the site. Second is the water conservation and quality. Third on the energy and the environment. Fourth is the conservation of resources and reuse of materials. And fifth one is on the indoor environmental quality. Okay, so these are the five principles of a green building. Let's get into the materials. First is the earthen material. The earthen material, like rammed earth, are being used for construction purpose. You can see the figure here. It's having good strength and durability, and we can also use chopped straw, grass, and other fibrous materials that can be added to the earth for increased or improved performances. Next one is the engineered wood. So it's very clear. It's engineered wood. It's not a natural occurring wood. It is properly arranged or by the various uh, wood particles to make a efficient one. So unlike the solid wood, engineered wood contains different layers of wood. It's important one. Different layers of wood. Usually the middle layers are made of wood scrap, softwoods, wood fibers, etc. So this can be used to make the structural parts like walls, boards, doors, etc. So it is a perfectly engineered wood having different layers of wood so that the overall property is improved. Next we have the bamboo. Bamboo is one of the most used multi-purpose and durable material used in the construction. They can be used to construct the especially the secondary structures like to support as supports for other for small structures and for the walls and floors in a single story building, especially in villages. SIP. one of the important term. It is a structural insulated panels. Consist of two sheets of oriented standard boards or flake board with a foam layer between them. You can see on the right side the engineered wood, the different layers of wood arranged to get a good property. The arrangement of bamboo in architectural way. Also the SIP, having two boards filled inside with the a foam layer. So those are generally available in larger sizes and used for walls of structure. Next one is the slate roofing. The slate is a naturally formed rock and they are used as the tiles. The slate tiles have a high durability and they are using as the raw roofing material. If the steel roof panels and shingles are highly durable and they can be recycled again. The good thing about steel is that even though it's costly, is able to recycle, and if we are properly preserving it, it will be very durable. Fiberglass, it is also used for the insulation purpose in the form of fiberglass pads. We already discussed this one during our glass class. Then we have cellulose. Cellulose is a recycled product of paper waste and it is widely used around the world for insulation purposes. We have discussed this one in the thermal insulation title. It acts as a good sound insulator. Also, it's available for cheap prices in the market. Then you should use the non-volatile organic compounds, because the volatile, if the paint is having a volatile organic compound, the paint will react with sunlight and nitrogen oxide, resulting in the formation of ozone, which is very uh, badly affecting the health. So you should go for non-volatile organic compounds in the paints. Next we have the fiber cement. The fiber cement boards are made of cement, sand and wood fibers. For exterior siding, the fiber cement boards are good for choice because they're cheap price, durable, and good resistance to fire. So these are the various energy systems. So as well, we discussed the various materials that can be used for making a green building, and now we will focus on the energy systems that we can use. Okay, the first one, natural occurring, is definitely the solar power system. So before that, we'll see the definition. The green buildings use renewable energy systems for meeting its energy expenses. So it's like self-saturated or self-standing. These systems produce energy that does not cause any harm to the environment. It includes the solar power. We very well know what is solar power and how it is used. And the wind power systems, geothermal power systems is not applicable in India in the uh, places where it's available, and then the biomass power systems, solar power system. So we will be using the solar panels for capturing the energy from the sun, and that will be used for the lighting and working all the electrical appliances inside the building. So solar heating systems are efficient for large buildings such as hospitals, hangars, schools and gyms, and also for multi-story residential buildings. So this will result in a very huge savings in the electricity, and also this is using the renewable energy sources. Next, we have the wind power system. Wind electric systems are one of the most cost-effective renewable energy systems with zero emissions and pollution. And the wind power is extracted from airflow using the wind turbines, and they produce the mechanical or electrical power whatever you need. So this is also a good option of harvesting the renewable energy sources. If possible, we can adapt it to the building also, but normally this will be using for a big or like big buildings, or for a big larger area. Next one is the geothermal power systems, not applicable much in India. The technology is used to bring warmer temperatures inside the building. So it will give warmth inside the buildings without using any fossil fuels by just tapping into a exchange deep below the surface of the earth. Support the geothermal power systems. Next, we have the biomass power system. The most common scenario for bioenergy in a green building involves using the solid biomass as a combustion fuel for space heat via circulated hot water. So we know the biomass arrangement. So this the building will need to include space for the biomass boiler plus fuel delivery and storage and ash removal. The automated systems and controls are commonly used to minimize the day-to-day maintenance. By automation you can reduce the day-to-day maintenance. The large facilities may benefit from installing the combined heat and power systems that meet both thermal and the electrical needs for the building. Thank you.